Hey there, this is Sarah Michaels, and I am here to show you how to optimize your blog or website so that you can increase your engagement in your audience and overall increase your income through your blog or your website. So in this video, I am going to show you the short version of how to update your page URL using your Wix website editor. So go ahead and go over to Wix.com and open up your account. Now, I did talk about in the extended version, and I will put the link to that video below, why exactly you want to do this. I put in some information about the SEO, how you can decide what to name your page, why that's important. So this is just going to be the short video on how to do it. So what you're going to want to do is get to the page that you are changing the URL for. You can go ahead and go down here, do the page drop down menu, or you can go to the left on this little like drop down toolbar bubble thing, click on the menus and pages. Then as you can see there, the page that you want to change the URL for should be selected. Now, what I don't want you to get confused is the page name and the page URL, which are two separate things. So the page name is how it appears in your menu, and that is different than the URL. The URL is the actual page address that someone is going to type into their browser. So as you can see up here at the top of this URL, this is the page right here, but it is very different from what the page name actually is. So for example, I made a duplicate page, and that's why when you look on the URL, it says copy of. You want to make sure that you have all of the page names and the URLs correct before you go ahead and put any of the links in. So that's what we're going to be doing next. So go ahead, select the page that you want to change the URL for. And when you're doing your website, you probably should do this for each individual page. You're going to want to go over the SEO, go over the URLs, and I'll explain in the other videos what you want to do and how you want and why you want to do it. And most importantly, how you can use SEO to get your page on the front page of Google. So what you're going to do is click on the SEO and the social tab from the drop-down menu. You can see a preview here in this box, and the green is what the URL is going to be. So scroll down, and it's going to say, what's the page URL? Go ahead and select that, and then type in what you want the page name to be. So for example, this page URL is going to be pop-up camper makeover before or after. That's going to be the new URL. And you can do that again for any of the pages listed here. So for example, if I wanted to change the URL for my About Me section, I would go ahead, go down to the My Story, click SEO and Social, and right here it asks me what's the page URL. I'm going to go ahead and say My Story, and they default put dashes in there. To be honest with you, I'm not really sure why there's a dash, but just for the ease of giving people my URL, like in my own head, if I want, I'm like, you know what, you should go, click on my story. If there's no dash in between, it makes it a little bit easier for people to remember. So I'm going to go ahead and take that out. If I find a reason why that dash is important or why it's defaulted in there, I will go ahead and update that and put it in the video. But for now, if you don't see that video, this is what I'm recommending that you do, is just put that right in there like this. So anyways, that is how you change the URL of your pages on your Wix website editor. If you're looking to build a website with Wix, or you're looking to take a course, maybe you want to learn a little bit more of my tips and tricks, I do offer some courses, mini courses, as well as a mastermind group, and you would be more than welcome to join us. You can find the information for that down below in the links section. Other than that, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to this channel for more tips on how to grow your blog and optimize your website. Thanks for watching.